Hello traders, welcome once again to Forex Robot Trading. Today we will see how we can gain profit very safely and how to earn very good profit within a day by using this simple tool. It is very simple tool to use for everyone. So here you can see that this chart is indicates that where to buy and where to sell. This tool is very helpful. Here is the tool which indicates the strength of the currency, and by using that tool you can select the currency, which currency is very strong to trade and very for that you just have to select the currency pair according to this tool, which will indicate you which currency is the strongest currency and which currency is the weakest currency. According to that you have to select the currency pair. So according to that I just selected AUDCAD, and AUDCAD is the AUD is the strongest pair and CAD is the weakest. So we can make AUDCAD buy here. So this is simple tool which indicates, and here we can see as per this tool AUD is the strongest and CAD is the weakest. So in this AUDCAD here we can see this tool indicates this buy. Here also it indicates this buy, and here it also indicates the buy. You just need to follow this simple tool: indication 1, indication 2 and indication 3. When these three conditions match, then only you have to take positions into that currency. If these three conditions match, you can earn very good profit with this tool. So here it is showing buy, it is also showing buy, and it is also showing buy here. So you can take buy entry here. In this position you can take buy entry. It is very easy, and you can see here the tool indicates buy. Here also it indicates buy, and here it also indicates buy. So this is first confirmation, this is second confirmation, and this is third confirmation. So when these three conditions match, you can take the buy entry and you can earn very good profit. Yeah, here you can see this is the buy entry and this is the profit. So it indicates very clear profit here. So according to that you can check AUDCAD. You can select the currency pairs here. This is the strongest currency pair, so you can buy it, and these are the currency which is weaker. You can select this one, this one, this one as well. So if currency is related to CAD, it is showing buy here because CAD is the weakest currency here, so it is showing here. So likewise you have to do one thing, that follow this first indication, this second indication, and this third indication. When these three conditions match, then only you have to take entry. Here we take entry in first AUDCAD and we'll see with live 10,000 real account, and we'll see how it works. So this is 10,000 real account and CAD. We'll place order with one lot with market execution, because here it is showing buy, 3 confirmations is there and it is ready for buy. So with one lot we will place order of buy and we'll see what happen. Okay, we order placed, and here you can see in terminal we placed order. Here you can see this order ID and the time placed, lot size, buy, and the price. Currently we placed order, and after that we'll see what happened with this in our next video. So likewise you can place the order and you can earn a profit. This is the manual explanation, but we are having tools which will trades automatically according to this system. So if you want that your account will be traded automatically, you do not have time that much to monitor this and to take orders according to this, you can contact us. Our support team will guide you. We are having that tools which will help you to automate your trading. Once if there is 3 confirmations there, this first indication, this second indication, and this third indication, once there are 3 conditions matched, this robo will take entry according to that. If match the buy, it will buy, and if it match the sell trend, it will place sell entry here. So according to that your account will be traded automatically. We are having that tools which will automate your trading. So if you are interested to automate your earning and you want to earn very safe return with this tool, assured you can earn 1 to 5% daily of your invested capital. So if you are interested, you can contact us. Our team will guide you and will give you the guidance. Thank you. Thanks for watching. For the results, we'll meet in next video with the results and we'll see. Thank you. Thanks for watching.